Hey everybody, I want to take some time here and talk to you about my new Penn Fathom 30 LD2, which is a lever drag 2-speed. The 30 indicates the type of line that it's mainly designed for. I am currently running 300 yards of straight 30-pound mono on here. Don't have a lot of experience with 2-speed reels. I was out on a buddy's tuna boat last year, got to use an Okama 2-speed. Fell in love, decided I needed to finally step up and get one for myself. I've been using Penn Jig Masters and anything else I could get a hold of since I was a kid. So anyways, back to this particular reel. My experience, super lightweight. The other one, the Okama that I got to use, was kind of noisy. I could hear gears and stuff where it was going, and also had kind of a ratchet sound all the time. This thing is super quiet. I'm amazed, like no sound effects at all. The free spool, excellent. Just spins forever. Great for the bait. Just kept running, swimming out on its own. I just recently used it on Friday on a yellowtail trip. Went out of San Diego, went down to the rock pile, down in Mexican waters, just south of the Coronado Islands. Hooked into 5, got to keep 3, had some great fights, and got some video here for you to check out. Watch the video, and then I'll fill you in with a bunch of specs on this stuff. Oh, also, it's running it on a Penn Blue Water Carnage Rod. This combo worked out great. Lightweight, great feel, super strong. What more can you ask for?
Put them in your basket! Put them in your basket! Put them in your basket! Thank you, sir.
Can you move right, please, move right.
Don't pull.
I got deep color.
You got a yellow?
Everybody got a yellow. And then I just got this one. The other one was way bigger. The other one was kicking my ass.
What number?
26.
You got some light line here, boy. What line you got here? 40? No, I don't think it's 30.
There we go.
Oh no.
Get that up, I got one on. Come on. Back up. Come here. Thank you. Good save.
Thank you.
Come on over. I think he's going left. Yeah. Get him. Come on, fucker. Bigger one? Yeah, this is beefy.
Put it right down in this corner.
Light baby shit. Light baby shit, 7. Whew, fucker.
Angry one.
Yeah. He's deep too, that's the problem. I probably got 200 feet out. Yeah. Yeah, thanks for reminding me. I'm like, why the fuck am I fighting this so bad? Yeah, I just got this. Never had one before.
2-speed, not use it.
Yeah, right? No wonder it was so much goddamn work.
Dog's got it now.
Ah, fuck you.
Wine.
Ah, fucker.
Wine. Boom, there it is.
There we go. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Thank you, guys. Whoo, shit.
Right, man versus food. Man wins.
I love it. Yeah. 26. Woo!
Alright, so I hope you enjoyed the footage there. The live action video glass footage. Kind of crappy, but you get the idea. It's not bad. There's some $70 glasses I bought on eBay that have a video camera in the middle of the lens in between the eyeballs. Pretty cool. The Phantom worked awesome, as you can see. Lightweight. Technical specs. It's a 5:1 on the high speed, 2.8 on the low speed. I think it takes in right at 40 inches per crank on high and 19-20 inches on the low. I did catch all those fish on a jig. It was a Salas 4.5 ounce 7X, kind of like the seagull crab color. Tried live bait. I did hook into one on live bait, but the line popped on me. Bad not on me. Again, super lightweight, great free spool. I think they retail right under 300. I think they're like 280 to 290. I picked mine up online for 240. Paying for the buck, I don't think you can beat it. My only other 2-speed that I have at this time is a older Penn 50W trolling reel, international, huge monster. Don't get to use it much, but that was really that and the Okama that I brought over. My only experience with 2 speeds. So far, love it. Gonna make me super lazy. Not gonna want to use conventional anymore. Hope you enjoyed the video. Check out my sponsors. I work for Casio Real Estate here in San Diego. You need any help with buying or selling a home? Contact me. We also have our adventure group, Modern Day Pirates. We do everything. Hunt, fish, play paintball, ride motorcycles, hiking, biking, you name it, we're out there living life. We'd love to have you be part of that. Check us out at mdpcrew.com. We also have a Facebook page. Here's a link to all the social media that we have. Twitter, Instagram, all that good stuff. Yeah, I think that covers it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. And have a great one.